Welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for an easy way to manage your business finances, invoices, and reports all in one place, Zoho Books is a fantastic choice. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through how to sign up for Zoho Books and get started with your new account. Step by step. Whether you're brand new to accounting software or simply exploring a better solution, stick with me until the end so you don't miss any important setup tips. Open your favorite web browser and type Zoho Books into the address bar or your search engine. From the search results, click the link to the official Zoho Books website. This ensures you're on the secure, legitimate platform. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up button. Zoho makes this easy to find. It's usually right at the top or highlighted on the main page. Click it to start creating your account. You'll see a simple form asking for a few basic details: your name, your email address, secure password. Make sure your password is strong, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your financial data safe. Double check your email for accuracy, since Zoho will use it for important updates and verification. Want to speed things up? You can also sign up using your Google account. Just click Sign Up using Google, select the account you'd like to connect, and follow the on-screen prompts. Zoho will link your Google credentials automatically, so you're ready to go in seconds. After registration, you'll be taken directly to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The layout is clean and user-friendly, even if you're not an accounting expert. Take a moment to explore the main tabs like sales, purchases, banking, and reports to see where you'll manage invoices, track expenses, and monitor cash flow. On your first login, Zoho Books may display a quick start tutorial or initial setup prompts. These guides are extremely helpful for beginners. They'll walk you through essential steps like adding your company details, setting up taxes, or connecting a bank account. Spend a few minutes following these prompts to make your workflow smoother from day one. And that's it. You've officially signed up and taken your first steps inside Zoho Books. From here, you can start creating invoices, tracking expenses, and generating insightful financial reports with ease. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, actionable business tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and here's to smoother, smarter accounting with Zoho Books in 2025.